you can see at the back is a basket wall hanging decoration sa aking super bare wall. So, I made this just to at least start a wall hanging design sa aking room. And this is the very first design that I'm going to do. And I hope madagdagan pa siya kasi I wanna add some air plants dito. So, if you wanna guys see how I did this, basket wall, hanging wall decoration, let's get into the video. Bye-bye!
So for today's video, what you're going to need is these baskets. I got it from Marketplace kasama itong lahat ng small stuff na to that I'm gonna use as planters. So, ayan, make ready with your baskets, yung mga napili ko, and also twine para yun yung papang-connect nyo with each other. So, first, plan out your design. So, lay it all out para yun yung gagawin mo. Pagdidikitin mong mga points. So, what I did first is to work with the big baskets, yung mga mag-same length. So, tried to find a hole doon sa basket. Kung wala akong magawa, talagang tinusok ko na lang siya. So, when poking a hole, make sure na hindi masyado siyang masira and make sure din na maganda yung pagkaka-insert ng twine para medyo artsy na rin siya yan. After inserting, puho lang ng 2 times. Mas okay na yung messy look para mukha talagang DIY siya. So, 2 times siyang binuho, make it sturdy dahil ihahang siya. So, kailangan hindi siya yung palawit-lawit. So, when connecting the small baskets naman at yung 2 points na make sure na masikip din talaga siya at hindi nagdadangle. So, maganda tong isang basket na to kasi may butas na siya. Hindi na siya masisira pa. So, I connected yung first point muna, tapos sunod yung isa pang point. And, nung kinoconnect ko siya, minimake sure ko na yung tama na yung sikip niya kapag nakasabit. Parang hindi gumagalaw kasi magdadangle. Pangit pag nagdadangle. So, hindi mukhang sturdy yung wall decoration. So, kinonect ko siya dun sa mga points na magmumukhang naka-straighten pa rin yung basket. Kasi ang pangit yung kapag iba-iba yung orientation ng baskets. So, ayan, nag-poke na ako ng hole dun sa big basket. Ngayon naman, when inserting or filling up ng mga small pieces of baskets, sana maliit lang na hole yung magawa dahil makikita agad yung butas kasi maliit lang yung baskets. Then, plan out yung mga points kung saan ilalagay yung tali and ilatag na ulit sila lahat. Ayan, that's it. Natapos ko na siya. Ang next thing to do is inisip ko maglagay ng 2 string sa dulo para kasi ihahang ko
So
siya.
that's it guys. It's very easy. All you need to do is of course to look for thrifted baskets kasi it's not very fulfilling if you buy it mahal, diba? So, be patient and magsipag maghanap sa thrift store ng mga baskets like what I did. Nakatambay ako sa Facebook Marketplace. So if you guys like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to tap the bell on so you get notified every time I post. And please follow me on all my social media accounts. It's at Queen Nash Rapi. Instagram and Twitter, it's at Queen Nash Rapi. Ayun! Thank you guys! Bye!